Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to submit a resignation request on behalf of another employee in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. From the side navigation panel, click on the Resignation menu. Once selected, a list of submenus will appear with additional resignation-related options. Click on My Resignation to open the resignation interface, where new resignation requests can be initiated. On the resignation interface, navigate to the For User section. Here, you will see two radio button options, Me and Other User. The Me option is used when you are submitting your own resignation. Since this process involves submitting a resignation on behalf of another employee, select the Other User option. After selecting Other User, the system will display the required fields needed to complete the resignation process. In the Select User field, choose the employee for whom the resignation is being submitted. The Notice Period field will display the notice period in days as per the organization's policy or the employee's configuration. Based on this notice period, the system will automatically calculate the last working day, ensuring compliance with internal exit policies. Next, select the reason for leaving from the drop-down menu. You can also use the Remarks field to add any additional comments or relevant information regarding the resignation. Once all the required details are filled in, carefully review the information for accuracy. If any changes are needed, update the details before proceeding. After confirming everything, click on the Submit button to process the resignation request. That's it! You now know how to submit a resignation on behalf of another user in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.